Hey guys, this is Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I'll teach you how to play the praise and worship song, You Are My All in All. Very beautiful song written by Dennis Jernigan and very easy to play. In my description below, there's a link to Ultimate Guitar tabs that you can download the lyrics and chord sheet to this song and print that out and follow along as we teach this lesson to you. So let's get started. You are my strength when I am weak. You're the treasure that I seek. You're my all in all. Seeking you as a precious jewel. Lord, to give up I'd be a fool. You're my all in all. Jesus, Lamb of God, worthy is your name. Jesus, Lamb of God, worthy is your name. Okay, you may have noticed I'm using the capo on this song. It's a little bit too low for me in the key of C, so I've got it on the 2nd fret to raise it up, and I'll just be teaching the lesson with the capo on. So you can use the capo or not use the capo depending on your voice range. Okay, chords used to play this song is C major, G major, A minor, F. So that's all the chords needed to play this song. Quick review on how to play the chords. C major, you place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret. Skip a string, place finger number 2 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then stretch your 3rd finger to string number 5 on the 3rd fret. Strum all strings with this top E string here. C major. Okay, G major. To play G major, you place finger number 1 on string number 5 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 on the very top E string, 6th string, string number 6, and then your little finger or finger number 4 on the very 1st string of the 3rd fret. Strum all strings. G major. Then A minor. Place finger number 1 on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, finger number 2 on string number 4 of the 2nd fret, finger number 3 on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. Strum all strings with this top E string. So you want to strum this A string ring out. A minor. Okay, lastly is F major. To play F major, you want to use finger number 1 to bar across string number 1 and 2 on the 1st fret, then place finger number 2 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 4th string of the 3rd fret, and then just strum the bottom 4 strings. Now to play this F, you kind of have to tuck your elbow in and get at an angle a little bit to make sure that bottom E string rings out. F major. The strumming pattern for this song, I'm just simply using a down up 4/4 time, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and just down and up strokes. If you want to insert a few additional strokes, you can do that as well. Okay, let's go through the verse. You are my strength when I am weak. You are my treasure that I seek. You are my all in all. So let's just stop and look at that. Okay, so we're just using a lot of these chords. We're just hitting one strum. Okay, you are my G major, A minor. You are my treasure that I seek. You are my all in all. Okay, C major, G major, A minor, C major, all in all. Then the second part of the verse is the same thing. Seeking you as a precious jewel, Lord, to give up I'd be a fool. You're my all in all. Then we'll go into the chorus, okay? So let's look at the verse one more time. You're my strength when A minor, C major. You're my C, G, C, G, same thing. You're my all in all. Okay, now let's look at the chorus. Very simple. We're just playing C, G, A minor, F, C, G, C, G. Just kind of repeating that 2 times. So it's Jesus, Lamb of God, worthy is your name. And repeat it. Jesus, Lamb of God, F major, worthy is your name. Okay, we're just kind of transitioning into that F at the end and back to C major. Just kind of adds like a little sustain overall. Okay, so let's look at the chorus again. C major, G major, A minor, F, C, G, C, G, C, G, A minor. Hold that a little bit. F, C, G, F. Okay, very simple chorus. Very simple chorus. This song's got a couple more verses on there. Let's look at another verse. Taking my sin, my cross, my shame. Taking my sin, my cross, my shame. Rising again, I bless your name. You're my all in all. Then we're just going to repeat the choruses. When I fall down, you pick me up. When I am dry, you fill me up. You're my C, G, C. Then back to the chorus again. A minor, F, C, G, C, G, C, G, A minor, F, okay. Okay, this is a very beautiful song to play, and I hope you enjoyed learning how to play this song. And just practice it and play it over and over again until you feel comfortable playing with it. But a very worshipful song. You are my all in all. If you enjoyed this video and like to see more lessons like this, be sure and hit the like button after this video. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. There's no obligation. Just simply bookmarks my channel on your subscriptions so I can easily be found. You'll also be notified when I upload new videos. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. Thank you for viewing today. Have a great day. God bless you.